All right, Sunny people, we are on the Clear Creek. It's the Ides of January. We haven't been out in like a week or so, and the one time that we did go out didn't go too well. But we got a lot of rain, as you can probably see. I shouldn't say a lot of rain, but some much needed rain fell in, pushed things around, it looks like. We are going to try our luck on the Clear Creek and see if we still remember how to fish, especially wade fish. I haven't wade fished in quite a while, or at least what's the word, bank fish, because I don't know if I'm going in that cold water today. I don't think I am. So we're going to bank fish the creek. There's this overhanging big tree on the right and the overhanging brush on the left that are good, especially when we wade. We like those. We can kind of use them as cover. But when we're bank fishing, we kind of want this right in our cast line, so not as good for us right now. But see if we can make it work. I didn't bring my... Oh, that was a little fish that chased it. Didn't bring my polarized glasses. I didn't think I would need them since it was so cloudy, but I always should bring them. Then just store them if you don't need them. Oh, that was a bite. They're biting it. They're just not really eating it. We are, matter of fact, let me try to get in a good habit. Yeah, they're trying to get it. So we've got our trusty VMC neon moon eye jig with our trusty Charlie Brewer crappie slider grub and the avocado glitter that does so well for us. We might try a spinnerbait later on, or we might try a worm, something similar. If this doesn't do the job, I'll try to show more bait changes and more lure changes. Try to get in the habit of that. That was a good cast. There's a fish. Little guy. Little bass, I think. Yeah. Or maybe a greenie. Yeah, it's a greenie. That's not a little guy. I mean, he's big for a greenie. Look at the mouth on him, Sunny people. Good night in Georgia. Fat greenie. All right, let's try Miss D's little trick. Not this time. Yeah, no. Ouch. There it goes. All right. Thank you, Mr. Greenie. No skunk. Is that you making all that hubbub bub? Nice little bassy wass. Largo. Come on, baby. I'm gonna pinch down this barber. Here we go. Largo. Thank you. I broke off. I didn't tie a good knot to line the line knot last time, so let's gonna try it again. The VMC with the orange and yellow, the Bass Pro Shock Crappie Max, Crappie Beaver with hot frog and orange, or hot pepper frog, or pepper frog and orange, hot orange. Yeah, we'll call it that. Oh wait. Yeah, I didn't even have to do anything with that one. Long ear. Feisty. Ooh, look at that beautiful, beautiful greenie. Just green and all kind of camoed up and orange and like something out of a tropical rainforest. Mean too. Oh snap, I didn't pinch the barb. There you go. You got it down deep. You know what? It's not too late to pinch the barb. Let's pinch it here. Now let's see if we can get it out rather smoothly. I guess I didn't do a good enough job. You've been eating. There you go. Yep. They're feeding up. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ah. See, Sunny people, there's a reason we try to go under all that nasty stuff. There's typically one or two under there, at least.